Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon to the respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today on this auspicious occasion, it is my pleasure to say some words on the topic of the Independence Day. Today on this auspicious, India got her freedom on 15 August 1947. And India got her freedom on 15 August 1947 and declared was a Republic Day on 26 January 1950. We all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. Today's day is very important for all of Indian citizens. We got independence on 15 August 1947 from British, who ruled our country for around 200 years. The present constitution was framed by Constituent Assembly of India, set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan of 16 May 1946. It took the Constituent Assembly of India 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete the constitution. India is a sovereign, socialist, secular democratic republic with a parliamentary system of government. The 16th President of the United States of America, Abraham Lincoln, aptly defined the democracy as a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. Surely, the day not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Thanks.